Morning everybody. Well, today we've travelled over from the east coast back to Nottingham. Well, really to say bye to all his friends and family because we're going over to Spain for 12 weeks on the 18th of December. We've also travelled back because we're having gas changed over to Gaslow, which is new cylinders put in, 11 kilogram ones. We're having 2 of them put in. First time we've used it, so I don't know how it's going to work out. But the guys come in today around dinner time to change them over, and I'll keep you updated on how we go with them.
And stuff like that. And then you can see bits and pieces. Auto Additions, we just fitted this Gaslow system. Okay, so you've got your gas filler cap here, all right, in and out, obviously for your fill points, and then we've got a 2011 system inside the vehicle. Okay, both bottles, 20 litres each on both bottles. Okay, and we've got an auto changeover valve. Gas would coming from the outside, flows through this pipe here into this one here. Gas will then fill up. Okay, up to here, overflows through this pipe into this other bowl, and then that one fills up again. All right, and you turn up on site just with these 2 knobs, and just open them individually or both together. Ideally both together, just open them up, and then as one bottle starts to drain down, the other one will then kick in via the auto changeover regulator and gas into the vehicle. Okay, when you're finished with it, you're ready to travel, switch the bottles onto the negative, both bottles, and then you're good to travel. Okay, and that's it. Well done, really. Very basic system.